Hey everybody, Colin here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to talk to you about cabin air filters, why they're important, why it's important to change them at regular intervals, and the best filters currently available for your vehicle. Before I get into that, take a second to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, so you don't miss out on any of our new content. Cabin air filters were introduced a few decades ago as a way of keeping the air inside the cabin of your vehicle clean. This means the quality of air inside your car, truck, or SUV depends on how clean your cabin air filter is. There are some vehicles that don't come equipped with these filters, but chances are your vehicle does have one. And if you want to breathe clean air and help the heat, defrost, and AC inside your vehicle run as efficiently as possible, it's important to change this filter on a regular basis. Cabin air filters take a while to become dirty, so it can be difficult to tell when they're clogged. So take a quick look at your owner's manual to find out, first of all, whether or not your vehicle has one. The owner's manual may also tell you where the filter is located in the vehicle. Usually it's behind the glove box. Our recommendation is that you change your cabin air filter at least once a year or every 15,000 miles. Early spring is a great time to do this before pollen and other allergen levels start to rise significantly. We'd also like to recommend a state-of-the-art cabin air filter you can only get at O'Reilly Auto Parts that offers a higher level of protection from not only pollen and allergens, but from bacteria and odors, dust and dirt. Microgard's HEPA cabin air filters offer the same protection used in hospitals, computer and pharmaceutical manufacturing, and food processing. HEPA stands for High Efficiency Particulate Air, and these filters remove 99.97% of all particles that are 0.3 microns in size or larger. This is significantly higher performance and quality than non-HEPA filters. Cabin air filters are relatively inexpensive and typically easy to install yourself. Stop by your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com to get yours. Check out our how-to videos for installation instructions, and if you still have questions, reach out to us on social media. We'd love to help. We'll see you again soon.